Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are at one of the most impressive apartments that you're going to find within Tankerton. Today we're on Kingsdown Park, and this property is absolutely fantastic. You've got 3 bedrooms here. You've got lift access up to the top level where this penthouse is located, and you've got secure underground parking here, which is such a huge bonus. Now, because of how large this balcony space is and because of the amazing views that you've got there, it actually gives me enough time to talk about everything that this property has. You're going to be able to see far-reaching views over there towards the seafront and around the surrounding area of Tankerton. It's absolutely wonderful and is an incredibly unique opportunity that's on offer here. We've made our way now into the main living space that is provided with this property. Of course, you'll see there you've got 2 sets of French doors out onto that incredible balcony, which is, I mean, it does offer such a fantastic space. You've got the kitchen here, which is modern and contemporary. You've got all fitted appliances in here as well. You've got the oven, the fridge freezer, the dishwasher, and the hob there as well. It's a lovely space to relax in, but you're going to make the most out of that sunshine that you're going to get in here. Now, coming into the main entrance hall, you'll see that it's nice and light and bright and airy as well. And you've got 3 bedrooms with this property. We'll go into bedroom number 3 here. You'll notice as we go through each bedroom does have those lovely doors leading straight onto the balcony. I mean, look at that. Again, that amazing view, and it's easily accessible from each room in the apartment. Here we are in another one of the property's bedrooms. Again, you'll see all the fitted wardrobes there, all the fitted cupboards, and again, those lovely doors leading out to the balcony. We'll take a quick look through those, through that window there, get an idea of the view there again. But again, it's a really good size space, really nice size room, plenty of space for a double bed in here. We'll take a quick look at the main bathroom that is located at the end of the hallway here, just before we go through and have a look at the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom, you'll see, has plenty of space for a double bed and for plenty of wardrobes and cupboard storage as well. And one of the huge benefits is that you've got this ensuite bathroom here too, and you'll see you've got the doors leading back out to that amazing balcony. It wraps around the entirety of this property, so when we go back out, I'll take you on the right hand side and we'll just have another look at the amazing views again. Whilst you take in those incredible views one more time, we'll just finish this video tour with a recap. It's 3 bedrooms, it's a penthouse apartment, there's secure underground parking, and there's secure lift access. It's an amazing opportunity, and it's certainly one that's worth thinking further about. Contact us today to find out more information.